welcome back. Today we're going to be going over GC and GD PLL algorithms. If you missed my video on GA and GB, view my page. It's there along with a video for each and every one of the PLL algorithms. Before I show you the algorithm, let's make sure we can recognize what a G-perm is. So, a G-perm is having headlights, and then there is a block that is not touching the headlights because that is something different. And then the other two sides don't have any two colors of the same kind. So here I have GA, GB, GC, and GD, and I'll just show you each of them. Okay, so GA is when the block is on the side and it's also on the right, the headlights are facing you. GB is just GA, but it's been moved over. So you see here it's on the top left. GC is the opposite of GA. So you see the block is here on the side of the left. And then GD is just that's been moved over one. So it's on the top right. Though these two cases may look very similar, their algorithms are actually much different. So you will need to learn each of them separately. So here we have GC. So you'll have headlights on the right. Usually it's on left for algorithms, but this time we'll have it on right with the block in front of you, and you'll do this algorithm. R2, F2, R, U2, R, U2, R prime, F, R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, F, R2. And we'll fix this. So do this, and then trace your hand up as you do these twos. This move, bring your hand back up, and you're done. Alright, now we will look at GD. This is a very different algorithm, but also it includes a move that you will probably not have done before in algorithms. It's really interesting. So the algorithm starts with R, U, R prime, U prime, but then the next move is D. So I'm going to show you how to speed this up. R, U, R prime, U prime, and D at the same time using these two fingers. Then we will continue. R2, U prime, R, U prime, R prime, U, R prime, U, R2, D prime. So to remember, it's this, and then you'll go up, and then you'll go down, and you'll fix that D. If you want to memorize the algorithms, please watch this video a few times. You can remember the steps. If you want to learn more algorithms or watch tutorials, please view my page. I have all the PLL algorithms on my page. I hope this video is helpful, and for the future, good luck.